How to add forms in GoDaddy website builder. Forms are a crucial tool for any website. They help you collect information from visitor, whether it's for a contact request, service, or order placement. GoDaddy website builder makes adding forms straightforward. Let's learn how. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website builder. Then navigate to the dashboard, and this is how the dashboard look like. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the website at the third, simply tap on it or select the page where you want to add a form. Most of the time we add forms to the home page so that everyone have access to it. Now what you have to do is simply go to edit website, which is over here. Simply tap on it. That will take you to the edit site section. And this is how my store look like. Once you're inside, you can see a plus button on your page over here or over here. So these sections are used to add other elements on your page. Contact forms are basically added at the end of the page. Let's go to the end of the page and add a section. Let's add a contact page over here. Now tap on add a section over here. That will open up a sidebar for you. And then you can see a search over here. On the search section, simply search forms. And under forms, you can see two categories. There's contact us and job posting. Basically, you can't make your own form over here. However, you can find a list of templates or a format that you can use for your form. So for contact, you can use any of them, and for job posting, you can use this type of thing. And if you want to customize it, you can simply add it to your page and edit them. Let's add contact us section for now. Let me choose one of the form. I like this one. Simply tap on add over here. Then it will be added to your website. Now we can see a contact us form is added to my website. Let's cross this up. Now you can edit it from here. Just click on it and can edit. And if you want to edit your contact us form or the form that you have, you can use the section over here. From here you can change the title and your thank you message, and you can even add or change the section or fields to simplify it. So here you can see you can add up to 14 fields on here. For now there's only name, email, message, attachment, and others. And if you want to add, simply tap on add over here. And you can add a field name. Maybe I also need data for their addresses. On the input type, you can either make it single line text, multi-line text, or a phone number over here. Let's keep it single line text for now. And if you want to make this part required, you can simply toggle it on. Basically that will make it compulsion for the visitor to give this information because it's a compulsion. So after you did this, you can see a streak over here like this. That make it compulsion. And after you are done customizing it, simply tap on done. And it's added over here. And once everything looks good, simply tap on publish over here. Publishing it may take a few seconds depending upon your internet connection. Now let's view the site. Let's go to the bottom. Then you can see the form over here. And that was so straightforward. That's it, you have successfully added a form to your GoDaddy website. Now you can easily collect information and engage with your audience. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.